If your Samsung TV is not turning on, there are several possible reasons for this issue. These include power problems, remote issues, and software glitches. To troubleshoot, start by checking the power source. Ensure the TV's power cord is properly plugged into a functioning outlet. Try plugging the TV into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the power supply. If the problem persists, use the TV's power button to attempt to turn it on. It's possible that the remote control is faulty, so checking the TV's manual to locate the power button and trying to turn it on directly can help resolve the issue. Replacing the remote's batteries may also fix the problem. If none of these steps work, restarting the TV may be necessary, as a software glitch could be preventing it from turning on. To do this, unplug the TV from the power source. Wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in and try to turn it on. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Samsung TV.